Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nur Ahmad Alfi Yahya. Saya dari Universitas Nahdlatul Ulama Blitar, prodi Bahasa Inggris. Saya kelas jauh di Belambangan, lebih tepatnya Pondok Pesantren Al Ihsan. Saya akan menerangkan tentang 4 video yang akan saya ceritakan ulang, yang akan saya retell from Miss Fitri Arini. Itu sudah di-share di YouTube 4 video, dan this is a final exam in my class. Okay, I want to explain, I want to retell about that one by one. Okay, in the first video about listening. Okay, in listening have 3 topics. The first is difficulty in listening class. Number 2 is strategy. Number 3 is what did you do in listening class. Okay, for the first topic is difficulty in listening class. Okay, the first topic in difficulty about listening. Listening is difficult when you not practice. There is 7 point in difficult listening. Number 1 is clustering. What is that? Clustering is you don't hear all of them and you just hear little. That is clustering. Redundancy is repetition in word and you can understand what the mean. Number 3, reduce. What is that? Reduce from is you listen the sentence, but you don't know what the meaning of the sentence. Yes, kayak kalau seumpamanya kayak sampean itu membaca tapi mendengarkan percakapan bahasa Inggris tapi sampean itu tidak mengerti artinya. Number 4 is performance variable. Performance variable is the speaker speak variable. Sometimes the speaker friendly and sometimes the speaker clearly. Number 4 is rate of delivery. What is that? Rate of delivery is you think the speaker fast, and usually you ask to yourself, what does the speaker speak and what does the speak tell about. Okay, next, number 6. Number 6 is stress, rhythm, and intonation. What is that? You continue, but the intonation usually high and usually low. You continue with it. Okay, this is the last, number 7. Biasanya ini umum dikatakan oleh mahasiswa termasuk saya. Number 7 is interaction. What is interaction? Interaction is usually we are say I don't have many vocabulary. Ya, itu biasanya saya ucapkan. Saya sangat sedikit vocabulary-nya. Okay, next to the second topic. Okay, the second topic is strategy in listening class. Number 1 is active in listening class, and you must listen what you can hear. Never mind, you don't know what the mean, but you just listen. And you don't just search the important word. It is not help you in listening class. Number 2, listen for the context. You must find the context because when you know the context, can know what did you do. Okay, next, number 3, strategy in listening class. Listen for the speaker feeling and the emotion. When you listen, you just find the speaker feeling and emotion. This is strategy number 3 for strategy in listening class. Next, number 4. You must know the difference when the male or female speak, because it is important, because when you know the difference, you can know what did you do. Okay, that is strategy in listening class. Okay, next to the last topic is what did you do in listening class. Number 1 is focus. You have to focus in listening class. You don't play your phone, don't chat with your friend or with your girlfriend and your boyfriend. Don't make joke with your friend. If you do it, you not focus in listening class and you don't get something in listening class. And number 2 is you must listen carefully. It cause your lecturer will play the audio more than twice. The first time, you must focus on listening, not make anything you must. And you find the feeling of the speaker. What everything, not just important thing. You have only seize the letter, your statement, and try to connect it. The last, in what did you do in listening class? Mental activity. You don't give up. Just be confident, and you must make many notes. You can find the meaning, and you find the contact. It's okay, never mind the learning process. When you have mistake, no problem, because learning not just in listening class. You can listen by video YouTube or music and another. No one not have a mistake. The mistake usually in learning, and the skill of English is write, listen, grammar, and speaking and reading. So you have learned them. Okay, we're going to for the videos number 2 and number 3. It is about left and right brain. In the videos, Miss Arini mentioned so many characteristics. If I mention all of them, it is can spend a lot of time. So I will mention about 3 characteristic of them. Number 1 is intellectual. Things logically. Number 2 is remember name, forget the face. Seumpama kayak teman lama, sampai itu paham namanya tapi lupa mukanya. Okay, number 3 is respond to verbal instructions and explanation. The response easily. Okay, back to characteristic about right brain. Number 1 is intuitive. Thinks everything by using their feeling. Number 2 is remember face and forget name. Ini kebalikan dari yang left brain. Jadi ingat mukanya tapi lupa namanya. Number 3 is response to symbolic instruction. Cannot to catch the meaning explanation of someone verbally. Okay, this is from me for the number 2 and number 3 video. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to the last video. The last video is about good language learner. So in the video, Miss Arini give some statement which has relationship with our physical condition. And in the last video you can know the result based your condition. The condition is number 1 is never do statement, number 2 is seldom do statement, number 3 is sometimes do statement, number 4 is generally do statement, and the last number 5 is always do statement. Okay, now I will retell example statement. Number 1 is willing and accurate cursor. Number 2 is try to get message, even if specialist language knowledge is lacking. Okay, number 3 is willing to make mistake. Okay, number 4 is look for patterns in the language constantly. Okay, next number 5 is practice as often as possible. Okay, next number 6 is analysis his or her own speed and the speech of others. Okay, the next number 7 is attend to whether his or her performance meets the standard he or she is learned. Okay, the next number 8. Number 8 is enjoys grammar exercise. Number 9 is begins learning in childhood. Number 10 is has and above average IQ. Number 11 is had school academic skill. Okay, the last number 12 is has a good self, a good image, and a lot of confidence. Okay, this is all of from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.